Back to my channel today. I am going to be doing a tutorial on this look. It is my red glam look. Just bored today. It's Sunday. So come on in and see how I achieved this. I was a hot mess before. You'll be surprised. I am just going to do a quick makeup look today. And I hope you enjoy watching. It's Sunday. Cloudy outside. Watching NCIS. Oh, like cheap stuff. I normally do. Coastal Scents. quite did it identical on this side, but I had to redo my brows because they were jacked up. And all I'm going to do is just put on some accessories. And I put on my big hair wig. And this is from Italy. Haven't gotten used to it yet because it's red as crap. Very, very red. And I'm going to fix my part because I'm doing another style. I just wanted to put this wig on, put this wig here. And all I have to do is put on some highlighter. Metal moon. I already put a little bit on just to see how it'll look. So we'll put that. And I add some to my nose. I think I should go a little more. I love that shimmer. Here. Get out that nose just a little bit. Hair is red, red lipstick. This is just some cheap dollar store too, or NYC beauty supply. One or the other. Alright guys, I'm just finishing up here and I'm just going to be describing to you, and I know I'm a little bit out of focus here. I did not know until I was finished, but I went ahead and posted it because it's a great look. I think I didn't want to waste it. But what I'm trying to show you there is the brow pomade that I actually got from AliExpress. And y'all, this is the bomb.freakity.com. It's close to, or if not better than, the Anastasia brow. It's from AliExpress. I think I paid $3.99, $4.99, something. I'll have that in the description box. If I forget to put it in there, just let me know. But I just think this look is so fine. Not to be thinking I'm all that or whatever, but y'all saw how I was looking before I finished this. Like, really. It's very glamorous to me. I'm not really keen on red, but it's starting to grow on me as I get older. I think it's fabulous. It's a very fabulous glam look, and I hope you guys give it a try. It was not that difficult to do. I do things from the top of my head. I never know what my makeup look is going to be. I just start, and whatever I end up with, boom, there you have it. Hold it up on your hand or big hand to uploading to the public. I've always uploaded for private just to clear my phone, but I decided to go ahead and just start posting to videos. Very artsy. I've been artsy my whole life. It's nothing new to me. It's effortless for me. You'll have to really try too hard to show that. Not bragging or anything, but those who know me understand. Nothing new. This clip here is from my cell phone because the lighting was a little bit off. As I stated earlier, it was very cloudy outside, so I didn't have that natural light. It's very different versus what I was doing before on the Nikon camera. I'm not good with that camera. It's my daughter's, and she really won't teach me how to use it. Shame on her, but that's fine. And as I said, just continue to the end. I'm just playing around with the hair, different looks, different poses, and just stay around for those pictures. Alright, thank you guys for hanging around to the end. As I said, these pictures are so fab. I'm going to post them to my Instagram. I have the handle and my title of my page, and or not title, but my about on my page. It is at Shauna Sunshine. Check me out. I post quite a bit of my life there. Alright guys, Thanksgiving is coming up, and I'm not quite sure if I will be posting or not, depends on how busy I am next week. It's family time, but as always, like, comment, and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!